Today I came here for RMA installation in Syndicate Bank. Basically this is 2911 high-end router that I'm going to install today. Let's unbox this 2911 router. Okay. Let me unbox this and I'll show you later. So this is Cisco 2911, as you can see. Okay. This is the ports 2911 high-end router. Here I'm going to install 24 ports, 48 port switch module, one serial card over here, and I'll show you later. So friends, on this 2911 router I've connected one LAN cable on GI0/0 to my laptop, and this is the console cable I've attached. This other end is this one I've connected to this laptop. Okay, let me show you this. So I've installed a license on this router. This security K9 license I have installed on this router, so that cryptographic commands can be accepted on this router. Otherwise cryptographic command will not accept unless and until the security license have been installed on this router. So I've installed this. There are only two commands for installing this security license. First one is we have to copy our license to the flash of this router. For that purpose we have to type copy TFTP flash and here license. Okay, and the other command is, now the license will get installed by this command. Okay, but to run on this license, but to understand but router should understand that the license has been installed on it. For that purpose we have to run one more command, that is license install flash, and here the license name. Okay, these two commands will help you to install license on this router. I'll show you the license. I'm using this TFTP. Okay, this TFTP, and the license over here is this, see, .lic. This is the license I've installed on this router. Okay, the next thing what I have to do is I have to put this router on that rack. Okay, I have to put this router on that rack. I'll be doing this and I'll show you if I'll get a chance. Okay, very interesting. On this router, two things that I have to install now. Number one is the serial card over here, and number two, 24 port switch module over here. I will open this and I will open this and I'll show you again. I have removed two plates and this is the plate you can see now. On this slot I will be installing serial card, and over here I will be installing switch module. Okay, right now the branch is working, so I cannot install right now. The time has been given to me, and on that downtime only I have to install. So I'm waiting over here. Okay, once I will install, I will show you, I hope. Thank you.